How to verify your Pi Network account. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your Pi Network account to keep your Pi coins secure. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, launch the Pi Network app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the menu 3 lines in the top left corner. Select Profile from the menu, very last option from the list. Look for the verification section to see the available options. Tap on Verify button next to phone number. To verify your phone number, simply send a text message as SMS to the given USA number. Pi Network offers 5 counters where you can send SMS to. Text of the message should be 8934. After sending the message, all you need to do is tap on I have sent the text button. Now you'll receive a code via text message. Enter the code you receive via SMS in designated field to complete the process. After finishing the process, your phone number will be verified. Go back to the verification section. If your verification was successful, you'll see a green check mark next to your verified method. And that's how you verify your Pi Network account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pi Network tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe at Softpro.